Kani ketika Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ka Sonapardi Tourism and Economic Development Society Komisi Bentaban Penkiawi ki kam jengok kai perthai ki badan HI Sejente Hills District bat ban penek pensaru ya kawa lukha bat ki klau ki betap ki badan Hanarpo Wildlife Sanctuary kala pelong da kata masa kelatep kum kan lukha festival arajar arpho kabalalong ha kalai poi trek kulan kot arajar arpho bat ha kashi tarik rumpang arajar arpho ha Sonapardi lawan men pli gini kata masa tau ba kermen shilla walau menteri katnat social welfare ke Sorkar Jilla bat bumi khmat kumu MLA yang terkait lihat konstituensi. Pada penahap pendapat da ubah Andrew Shulai ubolong CM berem ke JHDC pada MDC pemerintah ke Joai Central Konstituensi. Lawan sakhi ni festival na keleng-keleng ke Jilla bat kumjuk ru bena Assam bat lak ban ong ba kini festival kadai ke bahek tam apo East Sejente Hills District. Yoi pat ki kenrem gilendan di balai don dekat Langki Kentop ya local MDC ba M Langki Lamari UCEM berem ke JHDC ba hambatas nong tudu bat kiwe-kiwe ki jingpen bernia di balai kring bhai ki pat ba ki Kentop ya ke swimming competition, boat racing competition, futsal beach, photography competition, trekking Hanarpo Wildlife Sanctuary ka fashion show bala penya duba Arif Mukhem bat kapan singat thai bhabrio Miss Lukha Arajar Arpho lapan kre da kasamla sokini sutnga ha kajing kop thai bhabrio ya kanam lado layok ra da kasamla mayalang ombon na kasnong sangpung baar lara da kasamla ria suteng na madan ting Shillong bat balai pat layok ra da kalas miki dekhar na kasnong mula mano East Sejente Hills District.
Lok prajor ngawi ni kita ke wahe ko kwa ha ka ni ka por ha ka jing long mo mun chua nga dang long khanru ka tu ni por ha ka ta san le house nem jo bon sen nga la jo la be do e be the wai le ne dat bami chagi wa oper Henry ha ka ni ka por ka ni nagabi ka por chakwi por em na ta ka jing sniao par khat hanga wa to Hawara chinan ter kiwa ki dok khado ki marat ki mareng wa imaklu kwa auto mayo di ong ki khon yang ki nong sa snow yang ri jai tiang ang phi to upne bansa iki la de ki marat po la ki marat harun keu kentu yang ai phi lok usnyau bha uman ko elat iki marat ki mariang wo blai de bo bentaw iki chkene perthai u im sa bha sa komen ko enjoy ki hari perthai kamu ngapi im sao bhai hani kasla berthai kentoi ke lakajor wa sao bha ki ukuni le ne ukso ini ge jinggerpat ko khenanga what I have to do yesterday's all sweet chooses and tomorrow may never be mine.
lang ba jing champang yang kini ke society ke wakut ki ke Sona Perdi Tourism and Economic Development Society the organize ki ya kini ke second festival ha kini ke jo ka thau wa kham tam yo pentim mid yi kam ki is chantia wa ile emi ki te ki thau ki miat ha wo promote chakibi tawan ki thau yo tip ki lamba gani ke society dele gi ya gani ke kam ko bha wakibi tawan gi bro ki wan bar yo wan pai yo wan jgo gi chagni ke thai ge yong i te heni de yo ye ke memorandum nale yonga karpat ye gini gi organizers wa haga wi gisni ye lai lang i churu rai usmid ya gani memorandum how chief minister wa burom wa i hapo yonga ri maya ka yong i kamu de tv wah ka ni ka census karang ka report wa yo ilang baga tourist ka travel and tourism competitiveness report yong ri india em go ha karang ka wali puso out of 100 da ka chispa em go ha karang ka wali puso but kate man go ka win ka wa ku sendet hejing ito wa ka tourism and rudely ki rang ki wachden kabong kerang number 40 em go hagus nem 8000 khanyau marsan poi 8000 khat khandi poi go chakarang lebuso nagachispa kani man go wi na go pansyao sorong yi wagari india kani the jam go chikiti rang kamad tv ki singapore ni ki bi wan ki thau ki waman ki wa chakmat ba hai jing to go tourism ngai skemi lang ba ki festival ki em ha ki kendong trot ki yong i jar ki district jar ki state ki yong i ha ko wi ski ki ri india yong i daman go top number 1 ladi i mani ki te ki bkre chtom tehni por sel sorong ba ong wa is gentle hills yong i kani ka klo man go klo ko reserve de forest department ni bantau pende pensa ya ki marat klo bat ya kini ki den ki se i ke UM kam ke role ke yong i to opne pensa ya gini dewe kre langi ho ke development you kiar claim ke development kam nu ku ke state ke yong i handrai ha perdi te am kam pene pensa i kam gini ki klo wa ke sarkar le ni ke department debu ke ni bentau pene pensa gini marat wa siang bahayawan yo em gini ke jing e ke bukian ma le yong i
ที่ว่าจงชาวลายลายลังยาพาให้จะไปนอนทำสิ่งว่าจงระบายมายายงอายาพาบุมเย่บตายโอ้
Streetwear is an urban go-to outfit of the modern world.
I'm going through a drought. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. I look at Sun City's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. And I said, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel yours.
É flota envolvente que mexe com a mente de quem tá presente. As novinhas salientes fica loucona e se joga pra gente. Eu falei assim pra ela. Vai com o bumbum tam tam. Vem com o bumbum tam tam tam. Vai mexe o bumbum tam tam. Vem desce o bumbum tam tam tam. Vai mexe o bumbum tam tam. Vem desce o bumbum. Vai com o bumbum. Vem com o bumbum.
Tell me what you really like. Baby, I can take my time. We don't ever have to fight. Just take it step by step. I can see it in your eyes, 'cause they never tell me lies. I can feel that body shake and the heat between your legs. You've been scared out love and what it did to you. You don't have to run. I know what you do. Just a simple touch and it can set you free. We don't have to rush when you're alone with me. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, babe.
Thought I found a way. Thought I found a way, yeah. But you never go away. So I guess I gotta stay now. Oh, I hope someday I'll make it out of here, even if it takes all night or all day.
The gowns that you are seeing and witnessing at the moment, they have been worn all around the country as well as in other parts of the world. gown that has been worn by contestants at the Mega Miss Northeast. And last but not the least, please welcome the man behind these beautiful gowns. He is none other than Arif Mukim.
Sebab ada senyawa duduk ke SNEM ini SNEM được organize ki ya ni ka program darab yo information warap man ko yusuk to new SNEM le yo ba yo miet yo biang ha ka te kom kita publicity the name of the one come encouragement Andre yo ye ni stage yo ya emtalang pen pau si sin juga jingkut yang piangan ni ka sngi wa emtalang opi ka wi ko program to ni ka festival ko ye kemen yo snyau bar ni Andre ke timu yang ni festival hi kamon yo pen em pen sa ya kani ka wa luka e kam jo le ni mariang hi ko em ni ha ka po thao ko chnong nar po hi le warok ka wi.
So I'd like to ask Ida to please escort the judges.
Good evening and Namaste Sonapur.
Thank you.
I am Ria Suting and I am contestant number 1. Kublai Shibun Yafibara.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Yulaila Malnyang, contestant number 2. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
Kajanmiat basok pagkamanya pibaro. Kagerteng jonga kaday biba nala nong siet. But nga day contestant number lai. Kublai Shibuan.
I am Laibanta Jainong Sid, contestant number 4. Thank you. Kublai Chia Jango.
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Basum Ango and I'm contestant number 5. Thank you.
My name is Mailang Ombon and I am contestant number 6, Kublai Chia Jangu. Good evening everyone. I am Rampidas and I am contestant number 7. Thank you. Wadabo da sen da kilong chua manchua yaitre uri sendong. A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Las Miguel Dakar, contestant number 8. Thank you, Kublai Chibon.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kerlariti Karkungor and my contestant number is 9. Thank you so much and have a wonderful evening ahead. Sunapur. I am Stephanie Lakati Dakar and my contestant number is 10. Thank you, but Kublai Shibon Yapi Bara.
A very good evening to each and everyone who are present here. I am Sandakini Rumbai and my contestant number is 11. Thank you so much and have a wonderful evening. God bless you all. Chia Jarmu.
बेबी मरवा कर मनगी बेबी मरवा कर मनगी दिक्कत करवा कर मनगी बेबी मरवा कर मनगी बेबी मरवा कर मनगी बेबी मरवा कर मनगी
Like your tilted stage, the role you made me play, the fool. No, I don't like you.
First up, you have contestant number 1, Miss Riya Suting. Her greatest inspiration is Priyanka Chopra. Her motto is nothing is more important in life rather than life itself. So live life. Second up, we have Miss Yulaila Alsuna Mangyang. She is eager to learn, she is determined, ambitious and would love everything to do. She enjoys facing challenges and she is diligent, honest, reliable and has a very gullible and friendly nature. Next up we have contestant number 3. She is Biba Nilla Nongsit. She would like to describe herself as a very good and kind person. She loves to experience new things and would love to travel the world one day. Her aim is to become an IAS officer. We have Lai Binta Jarwa. She's a student in BSc 3rd Sem in St. Mary's College. She is an extrovert. She's a student pursuing her 4th semester in BA in St. Anthony's College, Vindhyati campus. Next up we have contestant number 6, Ms. Mayalan Mambat. She is currently pursuing her BTech degree from National Institute of Technology, Meghalaya in Civil Engineering. Ms. Rimpi Das. She is currently working in the armed forces and will one day want to become an air hostess. Number 8 is Lasmika Dakar. She is currently pursuing her BA 3rd semester botany in St. Anthony's College. Her motto in life is do unto others as you would have them do unto you. 8 years old, she's a student of class 11 and her hobbies are socializing, reading, cooking, dancing and many others. Number 10, that is Stephanie Aldakar. She took up science but felt the need to serve women, which is why she changed her stream and she aspires now to be a good and great lawyer. She is currently pursuing her BA degree in English Literature 5th semester. She's a person who really loves to try new things in life. She loves traveling and also try to find beauty in the ordinary.
Que no se te apague la situación, tú sabes que yo no te dejo plantado. Calma, que yo voy en camino, amor. Calma, que yo quiero contigo. Si tú me llamas, vamos pa' tu casa. Nos quedamos en la cama, sin pijama, sin pijama. Si tú me llamas, vamos pa' tu casa. Nos quedamos en la cama, sin pijama, sin pijama.
going to get gift hampers from Avon. The second runner-up is going to get 5,000 rupees. The first runner-up is going to get 10,000. And the winner is going to get 20,000. The second runner-up of Miss Luca 2020 goes to contestant number 8, Lastiker Dakar. First runner-up of Miss Luca 2020 is contestant number 1, Miss Ria Selig. Miss Luca 2020 is Miss Maya Rambo. Contestant number 6. Jamal Abdi Nurul, Miss Luca 2020.
I don't give a fuck about your Instagram.